Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Veet Sensitive Touch Trimmer for women. This is a transparent box. You can see what the trimmer looks like. This is obviously designed for women. A lot of information on this box. This is for upper lip and chin, sideburns and bikini and underarm. Over here there is more information. You have two-sided precision adjustable head with 16mm and 6mm for optimal eyebrow shaping. Comb attachment to uniform hair to two different lengths, 2 and 4mm. Other body areas, horizontal trimming head for 20mm. Two comb attachments for uniform hair to two different lengths and 2 and 4mm. There's a cleaning brush and a beauty pouch as well. There are also AA batteries included. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. And these are all the components of this particular box. And that includes this particular user manual as well. There you can see this is the user manual for this particular trimmer. So let's quickly take a look at all the components you have. So there are two comb attachments for uniform hair. These are basically hair attachments. This is the AA battery that we spoke of earlier. This is another comb attachment. There is a cleaning brush right over here, and let me give you a closer look there. And this is the trimmer for the other body areas. I will show you the other trimmer as well. This is the trimmer attachment, the head attachment for other body areas. And finally we have the sensitive touch electric trimmer right over here. It is coming off for some reason. I'm going to tighten it there. This particular trimmer is for eyebrows primarily. It has this particular swivel. This is two-sided head adjustment, which is great for getting all kinds of shapes. And as mentioned earlier, this particular head is detachable. So all you have to do is twist it like so and pull, and this head is out. Now you can attach the other head very simply like this. I'm going to, there you go. It's attached now. This trimmer comes with a very nice white and pink color combination. And this is where the battery goes in. This has this anti-slip padding over here, very ergonomic, has a nice design to it as well. Very small and compact, by the way. So you can open this particular compartment as well, like so. And this is where your battery goes in, as you can see. I'll give you a closer look. This is where your battery goes in. I'm going to put this particular battery inside and close it back in. And now this trimmer should work. Let's see. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Veet Sensitive Touch Electric Trimmer for women. Thank you for watching.